was a woman who had nothing, pouring spirit, pouring will. I pray this plague of my memory would leave me. Countless tears crying, will this ever end? But somehow I always had the strength to press on. He's been holding me, and I wondered, is this my answer from the Lord? Because he's been molding me, he's been shaping me, he's been saving me for such a time as this. I'm resting now like Ruth, I'm rejoicing like Job. Once more, Lord, like Samson, I will overcome them all. The battle is going on, and yes, I'm still here. I'm fighting to the very last, and I will receive that double portion like Elisha. He took me from a hopeless place and washed me with amazing grace. His overflowing love